I'm very chuffed that you've all joined us once more. But if this is your first time, Falcha, welcome. As I say every morning, do not worry if this is your first time. You don't need anything to take part. You just need to make sure that you can hear and you can see me. Agus a Ghearran teachers, your job, as always, is to find the chat and to maybe give us some information in the chat so we know exactly how things are working. We know that you're all here. You know that you're all able to hear us. And I think maybe in the chat today, maybe you could give me what you think our favourite Gaelic word is. What's your favourite Gaelic word that you've learned so far, or maybe your phrase? And I'm saying that because today is Say a Gaelic Phrase Day, and people from throughout Scotland and even throughout the world are sharing their favourite phrases. Maybe we could go through what we've done so far, because I've actually learned loads. On Monday, we had to look at Falcha. Do you want to try that? Falcha for welcome. We also had Matinva, and of course Cheery. And I'm seeing a few people saying that you like Falcha. Do let us know which school you are, and then I can tell you. Agus, Chùm and Nuairteach, so lovely to see so many of you coming in from all around the country. So Monday, Falcha, Matinva, Cheery. On Tuesday, we asked Usa, who are you? Usa, and we answered Ismisha. I am. My name is Ismisha. And then yesterday, we learned to count up to Céithid. And you might remember that we learned a hoon, a ga, a tree, a Céithid. Will we try that one more time? A hoon, a ga, a tree, a Céithid. And I thought today, since we did so well with our numbers, maybe we could carry on counting. Because once you've done the first four, the next four are even easier. So if we want to say the number 5 in Gaelic, we would say coig. Do you think you can give that a wee go? Coig, number 5. Coig. Margarita, well done. If we want to say 6, this one's maybe easy to learn because it starts with the same kind of sound. It's a shia. A shia. Try that. A shia. So number 5 was a coig. Number 6 was a shia. And we're going to keep that sh sound for number 7 because that is a shach. I think that's a fun one to say, but we'll give it a go. A shach. One more time. A shach. So what we've got is a coig. Maybe you can try and say it with me. A coig. Then we've got a shia. Yep, a shia. And then we're going to do a shech. A shech. And then our last one for today, it's got that same sound at the end of it. It's for 8 and it's a hoch. A hoch for 8. And you might remember the animal octopus that has 8 legs. Well, och in Gaelic is 8. So it's the same sound, it's the same word. A hoch, number 8 if we're counting. So let's see if we can count from 5 all the way to 8. We have a coig, a shia, a shech, a hoch. And for a hoch, if you remember octopus, we'll always get that sound right. Do you know what? Do you think we could be really clever? Do you think we could count all the way from a hoon up to a hoch? Can we give it a wee go? We have a hoon, a ga, a tree, a Céithid, a coig, a shia, a shech, a hoch. Well done, everybody. I thought that was amazing. Now, as always, we're going to start off by meeting Carichin-Ura, or new friends. And today's new friends are from Bun-sgoiltean or Govan Gaelic Primary School. And Govan is a primary school in Glasgow. And in this school, they learn exactly what you do, but they do it in Gaelic. And actually, this is a totally Gaelic school. They don't do any of their learning in English. So the primary 1s, the 2s and 3s are just like you, are learning every single thing that you're learning an-asgaidh. So let's try and meet them.
Ismisha nula agus stalamuchu. Ismisha face agus stalamucha. Ismisha thea agus stalamovami. Ismisha Jessica agus Misha Gaidhlig. Is Misha Melissa agus still mó mami? Is Misha Ethan agus is still am a chloinn-sgoile? Is Misha Alana agus still Janet Melissa? Is Misha Thomas agus is still am a bhí Capadich? Is Misha Jacob agus is still am a bhí a Leavich? Is Misha Red agus is still am a bhí College? Is Misha Darcy agus Tom a bhí Capadich an Gaelic? Is Misha Rui agus is still am a chloinn-sgoile? Is Misha Helena agus Tom a chloinn mar iPad? Is Misha Jack agus is still am Balcosh agus is Is Misha Rachel is still am a chloinn rabbit jackals do? Is Misha Cosmo agus is still am Fortnite agus a chloinn party Chrism? Is Misha Archie agus is still am a bhí a chloinn-sgoile? Is Misha Beth agus is still am a bhí a Jenna Luchd-labhairt? Is Misha Roderick agus is still am a bhí a chloinn table tennis?
Is Misha Rachel is still am a bhí a Jenna Jalvin?
Is Misha Louise agus is still am a bhí a chloinn-sgoile carchin? Is Misha Ayla agus is still am a Jenna Jalvin Kujoch?
Is Misha Rosa agus is still am a dancer?
Misha Ayla agus still am a bhí a leibhil?
Nach ma a Rainia. They were so lovely there, telling us not only their names but things that they liked. Agus creative shop. Believe this. That's only a tiny, teeny wee bit of that school. It's a huge school with lots of pupils, and we're going to hear a wee bit more from them quite soon. Ach, Ghearran. Lots of exciting things to do first. But we have to really learn more of our song because, as I've been saying every single day, you know that I think that singing is the best way to do and learn Gaelic. I just think it's so much fun because you don't need to be able to sing, you don't need to know any Gaelic. All you need to do is give it a go. And we've been doing really well this week learning Hami Rui ar sa Rabbit. And you might remember that our first verse was Hami Rui ar sa Rabbit, and we had our lovely wee rabbit ears. Our second verse was Hami Snav ar sin chias. We had our fishy hands that were swimming. And yesterday we did Hami Ske ar sin chian. I am flying, said the bird. Maybe we could just do a very quick practice of that and then we'll learn one more verse. So get your rabbit ears ready for Hami Rui ar sa Rabbit. Let's go after 3. But should we maybe practice our new numbers? So we'll count 5, 6, 7 as we practice. Will we give it a go? Coig, shia, sheach. You ready? Coig is shia, is sheach. Here we go. Hami Rui ar sa Rabbit, Hami Rui. Hami Rui ar sa Rabbit, Hami Rui. Hami Rui ar sa Rabbit, Rui ar sa Rabbit, Rui ar sa Rabbit, Hami Rui. Ready for the snav? Hami snav ar sin chias, Hami snav. Hami snav ar sin chias, Hami snav. Hami snav ar sin chias, snav ar sin chias, snav ar sin chias, Hami snav. Ready for Hami ske? Hami ske ar sin chian, Hami ske. Hami ske ar sin chian, Hami ske. Hami ske ar sin chian, ske ar sin chian, ske ar sin chian, Hami ske. Macarena, well done everybody. That was so good. Now, today we have a new verse and it starts with this. Hami strip. Can you say that? Hami strip. One more time. Hami strip. And Hami strip means I am climbing. And today this is maybe a trickier one because something that's very small is climbing. It's this. Arsyniorac. Can you say that? Arsyniorac. Arsyniorac. And fioracin are something that you see in the garden. Sometimes they are glass, grey. Sometimes they are ruach, red. Glass grey, ruach, red. I wonder if you can guess what they are. They're very wee, they're very pretty, they're kind of fluffy and bushy. They are squirrels. And maybe you guessed that, they are squirrels. So what we're going to say, oh, I'm seeing some guesses coming in and you're totally right, they are squirrels. Let's see if we can do hammy strip. One more time. Hammy strip. And then this time, arsenioric with our wee squirrely fingers and hands. Arsenioric. They're like small wee paws. They're awfully cute. So let's see if we can sing hammy strip, arsenioric with our wee squirrel hands. You ready? Ungatri, hammy strip, arsenioric, hammy strip. Hammy strip, arsenioric, hammy strip. Hammy strip, arsenioric, strip, arsenioric, strip, arsenioric, hammy strip. One more time. Hammy strip, arsenioric, hammy strip. Hammy strip, arsenioric, hammy strip. Hammy strip, arsenioric, strip, arsenioric, strip, arsenioric, hammy strip. Mhair. Well done, everybody. And tomorrow we're going to continue learning our song. We're going to put Stiùiriche, all 4 verses together, and we're going to sing it. But maybe a reminder that tomorrow we're going to be singing that song in a slightly different way, because tomorrow we don't have our Gaelic session for primary 1, 2, 3 in English medium. We have a double session. It's so exciting. We have primary 1-3 for children that speak Gaelic and those that are still learning Gaelic, and we're all going to come together and we are going to celebrate everything to do with Gaelic, and we're going to do it an-asgaidh, in Gaelic, agus leth-uair Gaelic, with just a wee bit of Gaelic. There is a different link for tomorrow, so teachers, that will be appearing in the chat. Make sure you have the right link for tomorrow, because I'm not going to be on this one, but I am very, very excited, because, shall I give you a wee clue? Shh. Don't tell anybody about this. We are going to have another special guest, somebody that you've not met yet coming in, and they're going to be talking about something really, really special, and I cannot wait. Now, it's time for one of my other favourite bits. I do love singing, but I also like talking about Gaelic and learning a wee bit more about a subject that tells us more about Gaelic and the people that speak Gaelic. And our theme for today is Coirsneach, or community. Coirsneach. Now, community can mean a group of people living in the same place, but it can actually also mean just people that share the same attitudes or maybe have some interests in common. And I love that we are now a new Gaelic Coirsneach, a new Gaelic community. And it has been so amazing to be with you this week, learning the language, meet some lots of new friends, and I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am. But what I particularly love about Scotland is that we have this great Gaelic community, but we also have lots of different communities, and sometimes people in these communities speak different languages, more languages than just English. I only speak 2, Gaelic and English, but there are definitely very clever people out there that might speak 3, 4, even more languages. And you might remember our friends that we saw earlier from Bun-sgoiltean or the Govan Gaelic School. Well, when I was talking to them, I was asking them if they spoke any other languages in their school. Agus Stiùiriche Seachdain. See, wait till you hear this. The pupils in that school can speak 19 different languages between them. 19 different ones. So actually, what I would love if you could go into the chat, maybe you could put in the name of your primary school and let us know how many languages people can speak. And you might only speak 2, but there might be somebody that speaks another one. That would be 3. You might have a different person that speaks another one. That could be 4. Let's see if we can beat 9 or 19 languages that they speak there. And whilst you're doing that, I wanted to show you a video that we made with our very clever friends in Govan, because once I heard they could speak lots of different languages, I wanted to know a wee bit more about that and maybe even learn some words from their languages. So here they are to help us out.
Hasú de brion nui canan Drake and an budsol Gaelic Valagoin.
Is mis Michael bí mé bring Gaelic Beurla agus Chick.
Is mis Juliet agus Flammy brion Gaelic Beurla agus Frangish. Is Michelle Anna agus Misha Breen Gaelic Beurla agus British. Is Misha Isra agus be Misha Breen Gaelic Beurla agus Urdu. Is Misha Franco be Misha Breen Gaelic Beurla agus Polish.
Cimar a chana sin yes agus no.
Ja, ne.
We no. Da niet. G no.
Nie agus tak.
Cimar a chana sin Jerry.
Papa?
Walaikum assalam or assalamu alaikum. Baka. Arfla.
Ciao.
Is Misha Oven agus bí mé bring Gaelic Beurla agus Ghearran Maltese.
Is Misha Danya agus be Misha Brain, Gaelic, Beurla agus Russisch.
Is Misha Lochan agus bí mé brain Gaelic Beurla agus Czech.
Is Misha Hadi agus vi mia buin English Gaelic agus Urdu. Is Misha Rebecca agus Habia Breed Beurla Fragish agus Gaelic.
Is Misha Rachel agus Hamia Brain, Gaelic, Beurla agus Japanese.
Cimar a chana sin làitheil.
Could that say?
See to play. Annual please on the Urdu.
Prosím.
Pожалуйста.
Bitte.
Cimar a chana sin uisce.
Mise.
Dolo. Bunny.
Woda.
Fada.
Wasser.
Oh, I just love that. They're so clever speaking all those languages. And what I'm also really enjoying is I'm having a look at the chat here and you're telling me all the languages that you can speak and what a range we've got. That is just amazing, Ghearran. I love that. You're so clever. And I think the more languages you know, the more people you can talk to, the bigger our coirsneach, the more in our community, and that can only be a good thing. Cúm do keep that up because I'm just so chuffed. And if anybody does want to go back and maybe watch these videos again, because I know that there was a lot of words in there and it was quite fast, they will be appearing on our YouTube channel next week. So you can go and do that and learn even more words. Now, you might remember back on Monday, we heard a story about the two Roses. These were two girls called Rose. We had Town Rose and we had Country Rose. Their lives were very different in many ways, but they did have one very special thing in common: friendship. And we're going to read that story again today, but this time it will be a wee bit different. You're going to notice that some of the words will be in Gaelic. So it's exactly the same story as we had on Monday, but we've swapped out some of the words in Gaelic. And I think after 4 days of learning Gaelic, you're going to be able to understand a lot more of that. So in a wee minute, you're going to see the words and the pictures appearing on your screen, and we're going to read it together. Hinshiv. So we've got and that rose, or the two roses, and that rose, the two roses. There were once two nean called Rose, Island Rose and Town Rose. Island Rose lived in a wee twy on a croft. She grew bùthan-obrach, chuid, agus snap, you might remember that, potatoes and carrots and turnip in her garden. And she had Stiùiriche agus Ghearran, sheep and chickens on her croft. Though it was often windy there, Island Rose would wrap up and go out to play, whatever the weather was like. And one day she went Luchd-labhairt to the town to visit her friend. Town Rose lived in a tenement flat in Glasgow. I'm sure you can guess which town Glasgow is. She didn't have a garage, no garden. She loved to go to Kelvin Grove Park and play on the Dreiliachen. And what do you think the Dreiliachen is from that picture? Kerst, it is the swings. On wet and windy days, Town Rose would curl up on the couch for some gaming. She'd go out to the park when the sun came back out. I'd rather a croft on the Elan, on the island, said Island Rose. Chanil cal colachrish. There's nothing like it. Town Rose had lots of clothes. She liked to have just the right thing for every activity. That is ridiculous, said Island Rose. She wore her favourite leth-uair or tartan shirt wherever she was going. With her bùthan, her boots, agus brikish, her trousers, she thought that she was very smart. I'd rather my uatach. Do you remember what that was? My clothes from the island, said Island Rose. Chanil cal colach. There's nothing like it. Town Rose went out for dinner to have her favourite thing, sushi. And she did her best to learn to use chopsticks and thought she was very good. Island Rose was astonished. Sushi? She gasped. She didn't like the idea of eating with sticks. Her favourite thing was salt mackerel and buntata. Do you remember what buntata was? Potatoes with a big glass of banya. Can you guess what banya is looking at that picture? Yep, you are correct. It is milk. She ate her lunch with her korakin, her fingers, her korakin. I'd rather be from the island, said Island Rose. Chanil cal colach. The two girls were big fans of balcosha, or football. Town Rose would go to watch games at Hampden Park. She loved to squeeze through the turnstile and watch from high up in the stadium. Island Rose laughed at this. It's so hard to get there and you're miles from the pitch. It's better at Goat Hill Park in Stiùiriche, where I can play with Mhair, my friends, while I'm there. I'd rather a gimme or a game on the island, said Island Rose. Chanil cal colach. To get around, Town Rose would jump on the subway. She loved going underground and the froosh, the noise, the whoosh, the froosh. That's my favourite one. It sounds so like it. Froosh, the whoosh noise the trains made as they sped through the tunnel. Island Rose did not like the idea of being underground. That sounds stark and scary, she said. She loved to go on the bith-uair, the ferry, the bith-uair, even if it sometimes made her a little seasick. I'd rather the ferry from the island, said Island Rose. Chanil cal colach. As Stiùiriche, in the summertime, Town Rose went on her school trip to Largs. They got delicious raw chicken. Can you guess what raw chicken is from the picture on the left? Raw chicken or ice creams. And played in the sand. Of course, Island Rose thought that didn't look like a very good place to go at all. We're going to Luchd-labhairt or Luchd-labhairt. It's the best try, the best beach in the whole world, she teased Town Rose. I'd rather a beach on the island, said Island Rose. Chanil cal colach. Town Rose was tired of all the teasing. Have you seen the Finniston crane, she said. Don't tell me you have something on the island that's as good as that. Island Rose didn't know what to say. She thought for a minute and said, no, there is nothing like that at home, but I do know someone who could drive it. They both began to laugh and they hugged each other. Maybe it didn't matter that they were so different after all. Carstes, friendship, chanil cal colach. There is nothing like it. And wasn't that lovely? A really beautiful story, and I hope that today you understood a wee bit more of that. Proof that you're nearly fluent in Gaelic. But now, on to the quiz. Now, as always, in our quiz, we have Coig question, 5 questions with multiple choice answers. And as always, I'll read out the question agus a teacherin, teachers, you get your answer from the class and then put it in the poll, which is going to appear in the chat. Chan you lacking ach Jekin, you've only got 10 seconds for each question, so don't waste your time, you have to be quick. We better start. This is thinking back to a wee bit earlier. How do we say the number 6 in Gaelic? Is it Nioni, 0? Is it Jech, 10? Or is it Shia, 6? Nioni, 0. Jech, 10. Or Shia? Have a guess. Sjoerd, kunnen we snel flikkers en draas de heen? Oh, let me have a wee look here. Kiet amach a kiet. 100% kiers. 6 in Gaelic is Shia. Shia. Sma arainshiv. Nisha, this is going to be a test for you here. Which animal in our song was a strape, was climbing? Was it A, theagaisgeas, a squirrel? Was it B, a mheadhan, a whale? Or was it C, an an-asgaidh, a unicorn? A theagaisgeas, a mheadhan, or an an-asgaidh? Tough. Put it in your answer right now. Agus Stiùiriche Seachdain nach siomh of a géisteach go dícheach. Again, you were listening, and if I take a look at that, you're right. It was indeed a theagaisgeas. Case 3. And this is a really tough one because I think I maybe said it twice, but I've got faith in you guys. How many languages did our friends in Govan Gaelic Primary School speak? Was it A, 9? Was it B, 9 19? Or was it C, 29? Make your guess, Anish, now. Guess a Ghearran. Oh, Kieth amach Kiet, 100% again, Kiers, it was indeed 19. Kishta Kehar, today's story was called And Da What? Was it And Da Luchd-labhairt, the 2 daffodils? Was it And Da Rose, the 2 roses? Was it And Da Ghearran, the 2 ears? Give it a wee go. Nisha. Kiers the Ghearran, it was And Da Rose, the 2 rose. Keisha Coic. Number 7 is what in Gaelic? Is it Sheach? Is it Nioni? Or is it Jech? Sheach, Nioni, or Jech? Which one? Pick your guess now. Ghearran, it was indeed Sheach. You were listening brilliantly. Sma arainshiv. Agus sin son land you. That's it for today. I do hope you enjoyed yourself. There will be a wee word cloud appearing right now. As always, put in a word or two to describe how you found it. It really helps us to know if you've enjoyed it or not and what you're thinking. So nabby of you, don't be shy. Just stick it in there. And a couple wee things before you go. Remember, today is Say a Gaelic Phrase Day, so maybe try practicing all your phrases. And if you're online, if you have a an account of social media in your school, maybe you could share it with us at SN Gaelic in Gaelic, or even just use the hashtag Say a Gaelic Phrase Day. Wee reminder too, our assembly tomorrow will be through a different link. So for your teachers, make sure you've got that separate link because I won't be in this one tomorrow. And if you haven't put in your t-shirt design yet for 2026, do make sure to do so. Ach, enjoyed a lot from me. Biadach live. Bye for now.